Voice control when your hands are full. Smart plugs that work with Alexa and Google Home Assistant. Just give a simple voice command to control your home devices with smart outlets via Alexa or Google Home Assistant. No hub required. Easy to install the Smart Life plugs. Mini Wi-Fi outlet only works with stable 2.4 GHz network. App remote control from anywhere. The Mini Google Smart Plug can help you control your home appliances from anywhere. You also can control your Alexa Smart Outlet via the app directly when you are away, as long as your phone access a secure 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Ideal gift for elderly and physically challenged people who cannot move around and needs easy access to turn on off a device. No need to manually turn on off, schedule it. Easy to set up and add schedules to home appliances. Get ready to have a smart home and create customized schedule to automatically turn on, off any home electronic appliances such as Christmas lights, lamps, humidifier, fan, coffee maker, etc. Please note that the Alexa Smart Plug, 10A Max, 1200W, is not suitable for the appliances whose power is more than 10A, 1200W. Create group share to families. Set a group for all Wi-Fi smart plugs and control them in one command. Share your Wi-Fi plug smart outlet to all family members in a minute. No more worries, everyone can control them easily. Easy safe. Don't waste time on installation. Simply plug a device into the Wi-Fi plug and connect to your secured 2.4 GHz network with phone app. The smart socket uses high-quality materials and technology, such as V0 flame retardant thermoplastics, pure copper connectors and advanced PCBA boards. It can avoid fire hazards and provide overload protection to ensure the safety of family members. An FCC, ETL certification ensures complete protection for home. Top reviews from the United States. Best smart plug to buy. Very easy and perfect size to install anywhere. Loving it. Come with voice control and app. Anyone can install and works great with Alexa and GoSund app. Would recommend to all. Worth buying. Great price.